Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about my monthly earning report. But before that, I have an announcement for you all. I am going to do a giveaway. As you know, I have been doing giveaways a lot. I have done a lot of giveaways, and this giveaway it will be because of last year on June 16 I created this channel, and it is only a week remaining till it will be 1 year. So for that reason I'll be doing a rupees 2000 giveaway, and 10 people will be able to earn rupees 200 each. What you need to do is very simple. You will just need to like, comment and share this video with your friends, and we will choose 10 random winners from this video. And also, if you have not checked out our website, I will recommend you to definitely go check out it, because we write blog posts frequently, and you will also find many stock ideas that you can invest. Recently we shared 2 to 3 blog posts about stocks which have given really good returns. Okay, and yeah, if you like investing and also different earning opportunities, then definitely go check out the blog. The link will be in description. Now let's get straight to the video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about my monthly earnings report for May. Let's start the video now. If you have already seen my previous monthly earning report videos, then you must be knowing that I saw my monthly earning report from 7th of last month to 6th of current month. Okay, so we will see 7th of May to 6th of June earnings. Okay, let me go to activity page. I am already logged into my PayPal account. Let me search for Clickworker now. Okay, let's first see Clickworker, how much we have earned from it. Okay, so here you can see I just typed it. I just got into Clickworker, and if you can see the first payment, the first payment was on 13th May. Okay, it was of 16 euros. Next payment was on 20 May. It was of 29.92 euros. 28th May we got another payment of 55.84 euros. 3rd June we got another payment of 38.20 euros. Okay, if you just add all of these, this will be 140 euros. Okay, whatever be the amount, I will convert it into live dollar INR rate that I have received the money in, and I will show you somewhere in the video. Okay, now let us go to work market. Okay, so now you can see for work market on 18 May 2021 we receive a payment of 208.38 US dollars. Okay, so I will also convert this amount to the live dollar INR rate, and you will be able to see the earnings somewhere around this video. We have payments from only these two websites this month. The reason is I have stopped working on various websites from May 1. So all these payments that you are seeing are work that I have done on April. Now let us see the reports. Okay, I saw the reports all the time because many people think that these payments are fake. So that is the reason the reports make everything clear. Okay, so you see this is the 30 days, past 30 days. I'll just select for May 7 to June 6. Okay, we'll submit this, and if you see we received a payment, total payment of 27,703 rupees. Okay, so you will be able to verify this with the amount that is shown somewhere on this screen. Okay, so this is the amount that we received from only PayPal this month. Now let's move on to the Payoneer accounts. Okay, so I have just logged in into my Payoneer account. Okay, now if you see my previous month earning report, that is of April month, you must be seeing that I have not added this payment. Okay, 6th May factor as this payment I received after I made the last month video, so I skipped it. Okay, so I will add this payment in this month's video. So we received 73.73 US dollars from Pactera is, that is one forma. I will just convert it into the live rate that I received the money with, and I will show you in the screen. Okay, and then we have teamwork.ai, from where I have received 15,014.65 rupees. Now this is a big amount. The reason I got this much because a lot of work was available in April, and April was really a good month to earn money. Okay, so yeah, this is about one forma and teamwork. Okay, now let us move to our next Payoneer account, which you must be knowing. I started it in the last month to track my Clickworker payments. Okay, let us see how much we have received in the other account. So guys, I am just logging in. You can see I just logged in into my account, and here you can see I received a 22.34 euros. This is my current balance that I received today. Okay, so this is the amount I have received today, and I just updated it in the Telegram channel as well. Okay, so now you can see here 12th May we received 10.34 euros, 19th May we received 21.21 euros. Click again, 26th May we received 50.26 euros. 2 June we received 115.48 euros. Now all these payments I will add up and I will convert it into the euro INR rate, and I will show you in the screen somewhere. Okay, so this is the total amount that we received from our PayPal and Payoneer account combined. And now we will check the payments that we have received from few other sites like Datamime, Quadrant Resources, and also Capterra. Okay, so let me first show you my Capterra payment. So if you see, I just opened my Gmail account. Okay, here you can see I received a gift card of $10 from Capterra. Okay, and I will be redeeming it soon. Many people have been asking me to make a video on how to redeem this gift card, so I will definitely make a short video on it so that it will help you to redeem the gift card that you will receive. Okay, I will tell you exactly how to convert this payment, how to convert this dollar and bring it to your Paytm account. Okay, so yeah, I will make a video on it soon. Okay, so now let's move on to our next two websites. Those are Quadrant Resources and Datamime. So as you guys know that Datamime and Quadrant Resources both pay through direct bank transfer. So for these two I will be showing you the screenshots. Okay, I will not be able to show you the bank app because you know it will be not allowing me to screen record, so I will be showing you the screenshots. So for Datamime, as you can see, I received a payment on 13th May and the payment was of around rupees 1256. I will add this to the total amount. Okay, and now next let's move on to Quadrant Resources. So guys, for Quadrant Resources I have used two accounts. Okay, to maximize my earning I used two accounts. So in the first account you can see 12,342.96 rupees. The reason I used two accounts is because in April there was a lot of work and probably this was my last month working on UHRS, so I used two accounts just to maximize my earning potential. Okay, so this was about my first account. Let's see how much I earned in the second account. So guys, for the second account I also told in the Telegram channel that the Quadrant is not paying and they paid very late. Around 27th May you can see the payment came. Okay, and the payment was of around rupees 10,310.40 rupees. It was a very late payment. There was some problem with their side, so yeah, that was the reason, and many people have still not received payment from them. I think they are trying to fix the issue, and mostly everyone will get their payment of the last month as well in this month. Okay, so this was really a great amount. This was the highest amount in the last few months, and I just cannot believe that I earned this much because I did not work at all in the last month. You will not see even user testing and many other websites that I used to work every month. It was mostly UHRS money, if you can see all the websites, and this was probably the highest amount that I have earned ever in my entire 1 year journey. So yeah, I'm really proud of this thing, and I hope you guys will definitely would have enjoyed this video, and this video will definitely motivate you to earn more and work harder. Until the next video, bye guys, take care, and guys, happy earning. With